My shower won't stop leaking. Old call plumber then, mate. I did. The plumber said to get an electrician. Of course he did. Don't worry, I'll sort it out for you. The pressure release valve kept going. I think it's due to the overheating element, so we're going to swap it out. Let's isolate the power supply and the water supply. To isolate the water supply, we need to find the stopcock. Apparently it's in this cupboard somewhere. Plumbing's flipping easy. You even get signs on how to turn off the water. Double check to make sure the water's turned off by turning the tap on and making sure it's drained down. Last thing we want is water pissing in our face. Now everything's isolated, we can start unscrewing. Now that everything's isolated, we can disconnect the cables, disconnect the pipe and unscrew it from the wall. But this shower was stuck, so we smashed it off the wall and ended up, guess what, getting splashed in the face. I'll tell you what, I'll take getting wet over getting electrocuted any day of the week. Now the shower's off, we need to get the shower pole off. Took the old shower pole off and then we had to hacksaw down the new shower pole to make sure it fitted in the same screw holes. Now it's time to get the new shower on. We got a new nut and olive and screwed it to the shower pipe. I think that's how you do it. Once that was tight enough, we screwed the shower back to the wall. As we got a like-for-like replacement, it was just a straight screw. There was this little base to screw on there as well, and then we had a bit more screwing to do with terminating the cables back into the new shower. Now that the insides are done, it's time to put the lid on it, and for the final touch, putting the shower head on. Once that was done, it was time to turn the power back on, turn the water back on, and then see if it worked. I got a little bit squeaky bum time because it took a little while to kick in, but finally kicked in, and that was job done. For any new shower installs, drop me a message.